Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're going to enable live caption now so captions appear for any audio. First, confirm your phone runs Android 10 or later. The feature is built in. Open Settings, go to Sound and tap Live Caption. Turn the toggle on and accept the on-device speech processing permission. This keeps captions private and fast. Once done, test by playing a video or voice message. Make sure to allow microphone access only when asked and move to the next step to customize behavior per app and language. Now you'll tune live caption for clarity and comfort. Open the live caption settings to change text size, style, and the language model. Larger text or high contrast style helps noisy environments. Next, enable app-specific captions so apps that support captions get prioritized. Some apps route audio differently, so this improves accuracy. Use the quick toggle by pressing the volume key, then tapping the live caption icon to test changes in real time. If captions lag, lower other audio effects and recheck later. Finish by verifying live caption across the content you use, streaming video, recorded voice notes, and in-call audio if supported. If captions don't appear, restart your phone or toggle live caption off and on. This resets the service quickly. Make sure your Android system and speech services app are up to date. Outdated models can degrade accuracy. If captions still fail, clear the speech processing cache in app settings or switch languages and back to force a model refresh. This often resolves persistent recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.